Find out what Route Simplified can do for your UCO or grease trap company. The used cooking oil module is Route Simplified's flagship product. It makes compliance effortless, optimizes scheduling and routing, and lets you scale up your business seamlessly. Here's how it works. The driver records the date, time, and volume collected at each stop. Route Simplified analyzes that data. The manager uses that analysis to build more efficient routes. As an added bonus, compliance records are available with just a click. Route Simplified helps you grow. Your company will operate on all cylinders. Managers will build efficient routes, and buyers will feel confident with easy access to service records. Call, email, or check out RouteSimplified.com today.